session for emails under basic computer training. So in this example we are taking Yahoo email. So this is my Yahoo. I just set it up. So first thing, how to write a new email. Here on the left side you can see compose button. Click on that. Once you click compose, you will see two subject and there is a message body. So in this two you will have to type your email address to whomsoever you want to send an email to. So here I am sending an email to myself. Okay, so I just typed my email address. So how to type the complete email address, meaning for example abc@gmail.com, like this. Okay, so complete email address you have to type. Once you type, click anywhere else in the screen so that the email address will be added, and you can type it to number of people. So if you want to send the email to number of people, you can just click here, add their email address and click outside. Okay, then add subject. For subject, the best practice is capitalize each word, so that looks better. For example, I'll type any subject line here in the small letters and see how it looks. Now see how this email, this subject looks like. I will just change it to look like in a bit professional way. So what I'm going to do, I'm just capitalizing each word. So regarding training, in is okay, in your institution. Okay, then how to address someone. Maybe you can use dear, hi, hello, like this. So I'm using hello. Okay, now see, I have just written some email, and can you see some red lines here? Why these red lines are there? It is because there is a spelling mistake, so you have to correct it. You can just click on that word. If there is auto dictionary added, so you can just use that. Otherwise, just click and correct it by your own. So TRAINING, training. Here vacancy I wanted to write, so type it properly. Okay. Then once it is correct, see here I also. So I should be in capital. Correct. So that is also highlighted by the system. So now it looks okay. So now for each line, make sure that you are entering one line. So if you are just not giving enough space, so it will look like this and it doesn't look a bit professional. Okay, so and whenever you are ending the email, make sure that you are just keeping 2 or 3 lines vacant, like that, so it looks good. Okay, then if you want to attach anything, okay, so for example you might need to send your resume or something. So how to send? There is a button here, attach files. Click on that. Okay, it will ask you share from Google Drive and all. If it is on your computer, click on that. Okay, once you are clicking on that, here you might have your resume. Okay, so you just select any resume or any file here. Okay, and then you send it. So I just sent it, I just attached it. See here I have added the attachment. Then click on send button. Done. Okay, so now this way you sent your email. Now how to see which email you received? So click on the inbox. Can you see here regarding training in your institution? Because I just sent this email to myself, that's why it came back to me. Okay, if email address is wrong, you will receive something like this. Okay, failure notice. So because I entered abc@gmail.com, this email address doesn't exist. That's why it came back to me saying there is an error. So you should correct the email address and send the email. Okay, whatever emails you sent will be in sent folder. At left side you can see the sent folder, correct? So these are my emails that I sent. Click on any email, you will see what email you sent. See, the attachment is also there. If you click on this, preview will be displayed. Now next, if you want to schedule any meeting, what will you do? So to schedule any meeting, there is a write section, right? Here one is there. Why one is there? Because today is 1st of August. If it is 10, it will be 10th. Okay, 10 will be displayed here. Click on this. This is the calendar. Then click on create event. Click on that event title. So maybe training schedule. Okay, I'm just giving any name here. Training schedule. From when to when? What is the time? Okay, to schedule any training, you will require venue, you will require date, you will require time, and you will require who will attend that. Okay. For example, I want to schedule a training on 5th of August. I just clicked on 5 and done. Okay. Then click on this time. What time you want to schedule? 9 a.m., 2 a.m., 10 p.m., whatever it is there, just select it. From 5th August, 10:30 a.m. to what time? So this is wrong, right? 10:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. It looks to be a very big schedule of training. So correct the timing. So maybe 2 hours. So 10:30 a.m. to 12:30. Correct? Or 11:30, only 1 hour maybe. Or 12:30. Let's keep it 2 hours. Okay. Now this will be sent like this. A training schedule on 5th August 10:30 to 12:30. Now who are the invitees? So you might have your students or anyone you would like to ask them to join. How you will ask? Just type the email addresses here. Okay. So I'm just writing some dummy email addresses. This is my email address. I'll just add it. Okay. Any other email address, automatically you will get a space here to type in. Okay, like abc@gmail.com. The same thing I'm using here, even though it is a wrong email ID. Then if you scroll down here, location is there. So location, maybe we'll keep a WhatsApp call, right? Description. So you can put some meeting notes there, that why you want to schedule that meeting and all. If you want to have some reminder, you can have the reminder 5 minutes before, 15 minutes before. You can just select it. Okay, but this is not compulsory. The compulsory ones are these one: training schedule, the subject, then the timings, and even the invitees. Otherwise, how people will know that you are scheduling any meeting? Correct? So these 3-4 sections are important. Then click on save button. Once you save, okay, so because I selected a reminder, I had to select something. Okay, so I'm just selecting that. Now let's click here again, inbox. I should receive one email because I have scheduled one meeting, and even the sent items should have that. Okay, see, invitation, training schedule. Can you see here? Like this, the email has been triggered, including time. Okay, now let's go to inbox. See here, the mailer again came. Why? Because one of the email address was wrong. So you can again recheck and correct it and send that. Now click on your calendar again. On 5th, if you see there is small dot. Why the small dot is there? Because on that day there is some meeting. Click on that. If you just scroll down, you will see there is a call here. Just click on that. You will see the meeting details. Correct? WhatsApp call, 2 invites and all. So this is all about emails.